welcome to my channel, and yes, it is time for Dollar Tree Saturday. I love to share with you guys things I get throughout the week. Then I show you guys everything that I get. I got a lot of great stuff in the last couple weeks. I've gotten some really great stuff. I pretty much figured out what store is my favorite right now because I feel like the store is near my work and I can never go over there after work unless I secretively do it. But that store, I always am finding great new finds. The store is always cleaned. It's always faced. And I don't know, I just love that store. So I'm going to do a shop with me sometime. I want to show you guys all the Dollar Trees in my store. Just show you guys what kind of stores are in my area. So be prepared. I just have to do it. But I can't do it when my son's with me. But let's just dig in. I know you guys want to see what I got. I got a lot of stuff. Again, 2 stores I only went to this week, and I'm excited to find some new finds, and I got some great stuff. Now, I did bring some of my reusable bags to one store, and then I went to another store and totally forgot I had them in the cart. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Now, in case you guys want to know where I got these bags, I got these bags at IKEA. They have them for $1 if you're one of the rewards things. I always grab more. I probably should get even more because I absolutely love them. They're so tough and you can carry so much in them. So I bought these before, but I am having a rummage sale in a couple weeks. A lot of you guys want to know what I'm going to make a video showing you guys what I'm selling, but I'm starting to get everything all prepared in my head. And a lot of my stuff I'm not going to tag. I'm just going to have them like sit somewhere, and I thought these are perfect to write what they're for. And there is 30 pieces in here. Now I do have another one of these, so I'm definitely going to start doing that because I just want to get rid of a lot of stuff, not just all my stockpile stuff, and I am selling it a lot cheaper anyway. So I mean, I am helping people. What they're basically going to do is help me get like all my money that I drive around with and my taxes and all that fun stuff. I ended up getting one of these little stickers. There's 420 stickers in here. I've gotten this again, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to start pricing everything, so I might need, you know, more stickers just to be on the safe side. So I definitely got those. I was super excited to find these. Like, I kind of haven't really been looking, but this was a wish list item for me. I ended up getting the silver wire LED lights. Now, my store had the silver ones and the copper ones. I'm just more of a silver person than copper, so I definitely got these. There's 12 lights. It's actually 4.3 feet long. It does take 2 AA batteries. So I thought, I'm going to get these because I plan on putting some of these in my wreaths that I have. Once I kind of get an idea of more wreaths that I'm going to get, then I probably be putting more. And I do have another one. I don't know what happened to it. So I ended up finding these, which I was super excited for. They are the window and door alarms. I don't know how well they work, but there are times where I am so tired, you guys see me yawn, that I just kind of lay down on the couch and I kind of doze off, and my son's playing in the living room. But then there are times where he just goes outside, or like when I'm doing my video, he'll just go outside. So I thought when I'm home alone with him, I thought I could put these on the door. I could put it on our garage door, and I could put it on our front door, so I kind of have an idea when he is leaving. I'm hoping these work. Some people say they do and some people don't. It looks like they kind of just tape right on, but I don't know. I want to try it to see how well they work because I don't know when my son is escaping, and it's just crazy. I saw this and I thought this is super cute, but it's a mini clipboard and it's actually a magnet. I think I eyed this last time and I didn't realize that I thought I wanted it, but I think it's cute because if I ever need to put like a piece of paper or I need to write some stuff down before we go, I can just jot it down and it's on my refrigerator. So I think these are super cute. I really love the clipboards. Now let's go to the second bag so you guys can see my face a little bit. Now, as you guys know, I've said this before, I'm having a garage sale. So I ended up getting some signs. I got 4 of them. I like hot pink because it catches people's eyes, but they had other colors. But I got these so I could put them throughout my little neighborhood into my neighborhood. So definitely love those. I was thinking of getting a marker, but then I'm like, nah, I don't need that. I ended up getting some poster board in case I need to make more signs and stuff for the rummage sale. So these come in 5 different colors. It's green, orange, like a different kind of orange, yellow, and pink. So I thought these would be kind of good to use. You guys, I just went crazy today. Yeah, I ended up getting this because I need to do a DIY and I don't want to use any of my stuff. So I ended up just getting an Easy Seal bucket. So definitely check out that DIY. I'm going to do it very soon. So now the weather's nice, I can finally do my DIYs. So a while back ago, a lot of people were looking for like those M&M books and some other books. And I'm like, oh, I want them. Couldn't find the M&M ones, but I ended up finding this one. Delicious Desserts by Jello and Cool Whip. I'm like, oh my goodness, I gotta get this. I mean, it was only $1, but I mean, they got some really good recipes in here that are desserts, and I thought, why not? Like, we got snowman cups, easy banana parfaits. Oh my goodness. Strawberry snow cones. Yeah. So I had to get this. I thought that was super cute. They also had Red Hot hot sauce. They had oh, what was the other one? They had a crock pot one that I found. And then they had, I can't remember the other one, but I thought this one is what caught my eye. I found this Hungry Girl 200 under 200 just dessert. So 200 recipes under 200 calories. I thought, why not? This book was originally $19.99 and I found it. They also had it on here for $12.52. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get this. So my store got like a bunch of cookbooks and I was kind of looking at it, but this one really caught my eye and I just thought, why not? I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier, so I thought, let's just see what I can make with it. You know, can't go wrong with a dessert book. Then I found a sign. Now, you guys know I'm kind of not into the signs as much, but I found this, and it says, kindness is always free. Now, this kind of reminds me of couponing because I love helping you guys. You know, it's free to teach you guys things. And I thought, this sign's kind of cute. I kind of like the colors, and it does go with my style that I'm having. So I had to get it. I thought I'm going to probably put that with my other sign that says love, because it is a teal, and that's kind of a teal. And then here is that other light that I got. Yes. And then I got this storage containers. I got these like little diamond things, and I thought maybe I could put some of the storage in there. So I got this for a backup. So I'm like, you know, could not pass that up. We are going to a birthday party this weekend, or Saturday, and I thought, what can we get? You know, it's a 1-year-old's and a 4-year-old's birthday, and I'm like, you know what? I saw these. I've never seen these before, but they are Crayola canvas creations and sun catchers. Now I thought these would be great projects to work with Ben, and I thought, why not give his friend a couple of them? So I really like these, but we got the monkey, which I think if you think of a monkey and then they give you the 4 basic colors, but they do show you on the back like what you can mix up together, which is kind of weird, but I thought Ben would probably really like this, and it's like a little canvas, so I had to get that one. I love these little sun catchers. I thought this would be a great project to work with him. So we got the frog, and you can put that on the little windowsill. I got a canvas of a toucan bird, so I thought that was super cute. We got a dolphin and a baby dolphin. The sun catcher. This is it's a little off, but it is a dog sun catcher. And then Ben picked this out for his friend, but it's a dog and a cat, so he wanted to give that to his friend. And then I found the rainbow. I think this is super cute. I love it. I love it. I'm excited. This is kind of for me, so I love rainbows. I just love rainbows, so had to get that. Husband's birthday is this weekend also, so you guys would have to wish him a happy birthday. It is on Sunday. Yeah, we're making a big deal about it, so I will be a little late posting my coupons. But he loves gummies, and he's kind of getting sick of me getting the Starburst for him, so I got him the Lifesaver gummies and the Haribo gummies. Now, he will find these before his birthday. I know him, so I'm going to hide these on him because that is how rude my husband is. He like searches for goodies. It's crazy. The next thing I got are the Schneider's pretzels. Now, my son and husband just ate them up since my last haul. So I'm like, you know what? I'll get 2 bags because why not? pretzels for $1 for name brand stuff. I really love it. I love the butter snaps over the regular pretzels. So these are awesome. I mean, they're just awesome and they're great to snack on. I'd rather have them snack on this sometimes than other things. So why not? Yeah, okay. My whole table is just getting full. Full. Now, oh, I got another one for you guys. I got a butterfly sun catcher. So that is awesome. So I went to the store and I'm always on a hunt for movies because you never know what kind of movies you'll find. Like a while back ago, there was a great selection of movies. And I go to a store and it looks like they're going to have movies out. So definitely check your store. They didn't have as much of a variety to choose from, but definitely check your guys' stores and see if they have any other movies. But I found Rocko's Modern Life. Now I remember watching this, and this has 8 episodes. That's like almost 3 hours. It's 165 minutes. That's even more. No, I can't even count. But 165 minutes of Rocko's Modern Life. Now I wish I could find like Doug and all the other shows, but this is like hello childhood memories. I know you guys can't see it because of the glare, but Rocko's Modern Life. Awesome. I don't know if my son will be into that, but I don't care. I want to watch it and it's so worth $1. I got this. Now I'm getting movies for friends for birthday parties because why not? You know, so I ended up getting the Marvel, the Superhero Squad show. Now it's just volume 1. This is 2.5 hours and it's just got Iron Man and I don't even know what their names are. To tell you the truth, but I thought this would be great fun for a friend that we hang out with all the time. They're really into this stuff, so I thought, why not? That's a great gift to give to somebody. We're going to a different birthday party on Saturday, so I thought, why not get him Curious George? Now this is a day at the library. This has 8 shows from it, so this is 1 hour and 48 minutes. 1 hour and 48 minutes for $1. I will totally grab that. I found this. Now, I watched this show a long time ago. I had a big crush on Jared Leto. I'm a huge fan of 30 Seconds from Mars. And I'm like, My So-Called Life, Volume 1. Now, I don't know how many episodes are on My So-Called Life. I know it was only a 1-season show, I think. I can't remember. It's been forever. But it does say Volume 1. I will have to look into it. But this has 7 episodes on here. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to get it. Something to watch. I love watching shows. So something to watch in the winter time. I found this. My mom, I'm losing my voice. My mom likes Pierce Brosnan. She's like, oh, he's so dreamy. And I'm just like, okay. But I thought this would be a great movie for them. It is a, it's called The November Man. I've never seen it or heard it, but I thought, you know what, I'll get it for my mom, and it's got a digital copy, and we share our digital copies on our account. So I'm like, you know what, I'll get it for $1. Why not? And my stepdad will like it. The next movie I found on Blu-ray is Red Dawn. Now this is a remake, and it's got some newer people. I don't know when this was made. I know it's a remake. It says 2012. But I thought, you know what, this might be a good movie to watch with my husband, and I can't go wrong with dollar Blu-rays. So definitely be on a lookout for movies, you guys, because I know they're coming out. And you want to check as many different stores as possible because they all get different shipments. I got more movies, you guys. More movies. So, yeah. I ended up finding in My Little Pony. I got Soarin' over Equestria. And then I got Friends and Family. These are an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes. I really like watching My Little Pony, but I thought these would be great for a girl's birthday party that we are going to this summer. I thought, why not? You know, she's into My Little Pony, and these are great things to give. I'm always on a hunt to look for more, but for $1, that is awesome. That is awesome. I know these are on Netflix, but not everybody has Netflix. And then I ended up finding Shallow Hal. Now, I have this movie, but I have like a version of it. I think I have a different version. Like, I have some movies that it's I don't know, but I bought it, and if I don't use it, I can always give it away. But I love this movie. I know it's kind of a mean movie, but I actually really like it, and I've been wanting to watch it again. That's my kid dragging stuff across the floor. Ben was with me and he wanted Minion Band-Aids, and I thought these are super cute. He's at that age right now where he's getting hurt like crazy because he keeps wanting to go outside barefoot. So I thought, you know what? I'll get it for him for that. I ended up getting one of these glass little jars because I thought I have a project I want to work on and I want to see how well it works with that. So I could not go wrong with that. I found this little bottle. Now, it's like a bottle that you actually drink out of because it does screw off and, you know, you can drink out of it. So I thought that might be kind of a cute little bottle to put drinks in. And sometimes I like drinking out of glass more than plastic. So I thought for $1, it was super cute. Now, they had a different design in the blue and the red, but I really liked this design. I just really like it. So I thought that was super cute. You couldn't pass that up. Right, baby? And now we're down to the last bag, you guys. I'm sorry. But I ended up finding a 3-pack of the TGI Fridays Party Bites mac and cheese. It's puffed corn snacks. I like puffed corn snacks. But I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try it. There's 3 in a pack. I'm like, we'll try it and see how well they taste. So I'm excited to get that. I want to get more snacks, you know, at the Dollar Tree because they're only for $1. Here, you want some pretzels? I know it's your favorite. There you go, baby. The next thing I got is a tall kitchen bags. Now these are only 13. They're 13 gallons, and there are only 13 bags in here. Now they have other brands and other bags, but what I end up using, I'm gonna use these for, is I have so many wreaths that I want to start storing them in my garage. I feel like I'm trying to like get rid of some things, and I think putting them in my garage. So what I want to do is put these in the bag. So then they stay, you know, clean and not dirty and all that stuff. And then I was just going to wrap them in the bag and hang them up on the wall or hanging them up on the ceiling. So that's what I plan on doing with these bags. And they got the little tie to it. So I'm not going to go wrong with that. And then I ended up getting some more of these glass square vases or whatever you would call these. I want to do a DIY with these, so I thought I probably have some extras, but I wanted to get more because I want to test something out before I make another video for you guys, because I have some ideas to do. And I wish I did this earlier when it was still winter, because this is an indoor project. And so yeah, I got 2 of them. So yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I was not expecting to find this much stuff. It was kind of a slow week, I thought, and then I'm just like, oh my god, I found all this stuff, I found all this stuff. So I'm pretty excited. I'm still on a hunt for some other more wish list items. I did order something from the Dollar Tree. I've never ordered something before because I could not find it in the store. I know I will not find it in the store, so I special ordered it. It hasn't even shipped yet. But when I get that, I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys and show you guys what I got and show you. It's kind of easy to order stuff, but I'm pretty excited to buy something like that, or just to share with you guys what I got, because I really want to make more wreaths and I just got to find more time. But yeah, that was my haul. I got some great birthday items for the next couple months, and I got some snacks, which I'm pretty excited, and I'm getting stuff ready for my garage sale. I even want to kind of start even making some of my wreaths and see if those would even sell. But most people, when they go garage sale shopping, they're not looking for like homemade craft stuffs unless it's super cheap. But I thought I might just put it out and see if anybody's interested. But yeah, I went crazy over my Dollar Tree haul. I'm pretty excited. I love the Dollar Tree. That is my favorite store all of a sudden. I don't know why. I mean, you could, sometimes you're like, oh, it's only $1, it's only $1, but then it adds up and it adds up and it adds up. But I don't care. I love it, and I love sharing with you guys what I get, and you guys can see other things too. But definitely check out for the movies. They are coming. They are coming. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Dollar Tree hauls. Also, I want to say thank you to each and every single one of you guys who watch my channel, support my videos, give me a thumbs up, say positive things. Thank you. You guys know who you are. You guys are more friends to me than anybody else. So thank you. And I will see you guys all next week, Saturday, for another Dollar Tree Saturday haul. Bye-bye.